asem wei ena me start yaka ama NDC abanye hunu na matena se yaka se 56 to 57% President John Dramani Mahama enyaye election 2024 ebe se 8/9 Madam Jemesa declare president
abuza for mamu nyina makwaba Ghana nsem TV so one more so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notification say be next time videos of this nature about so bit my cabin so watch the or comment section for them say munim dan if Mr. President baby home be from Mr. President ameje so o text me Mr. President or comment section ameje so who see me TikTok na pa Mr. President ameje so sa koye de o baby agenda MPP so the munim the opposition. So we are trying our possible best. We use Jan and the same TV channel also. They are what the new patriotic party Amenyokuno. They are power 2028. Inshallah. Dr. Ladma Umbo president. Now also the power by Mbia so Selkebi. Na my kan kaya yi you are John the money Muhammad the book at Neze Ibu Idi. Ya many and Father Messiah Dr. Ladma Umbo Yama the NS Assembly few. Now once again may catch a gun and Mabuni and I say Amanya 7 a.m. Eh daachinti na ya manyo se menye mprimprint na ya manyo se de wo ye bia no wo ye no wadwo se nti daachi bia no would you be proud of decision I will make here in politics? You shouldn't forget say politics no ya ma utumi say fa bedi manfo nanim ya ma utumi say fa be ye ohunhu yi it is all your software o ye ordinary Ghanaian oye educationist oye medical doctor oye hwanhwani oye once I be my opportunity to serve public space no do it with due diligence, respect and absolute clarity. And yes, I dey be a home chiro
asem wei ena me start yaka ama NDC abanye hunu na matena se yaka se 56 to 57% President John Dramani Mahama enyaye election 2024 ebe se 8/9 Madam Jemesa declare president that percentage no and na ho no mo a etwen NDC for election 2028 sa percentage no and na ho no mo a etwen wo mo the number of seats ya wo munya ye ya ene chese omukuta majority omuhia omukuta 2/3 authority power Ghana for the ma wo 2028 election no sa power no 2 million you see the sovereignty no 2 million e Ghana for dia ye na 2 million kuta ye and na ho no mo etwe wo election 2028 enti adie bia NDC government eye bia no e wo so wo mudwi hu yi adie bia NDC aban eye bia no sa adie aye ka ne aka exchange rate na exchange rate na dollar rate na exchange rate no basic things nisa say wodon saka na say toa so na ekoso a na wo shega na ni na oto abama wo no ebufuo ya dwini nkofo properties egu ba meti wanu mu na medwina bibi say okay demolition exercise ekoso ya tu nkofo invest sika billions of Ghana cedis e wo mo facilities mu o properties mu o projects mu ya ebu egu. What about operation recover all loot oral 2025 honorable Samoku Jetua Black one in team Martin Pebuka ho COP Kofi Boache retired former auditor general Dom Levo ena afresu yoko boss mu nyina no mka ho Raymond Achanom omu nyina aka ho bi etc Montenso ye wo Ghana ha mo de report by San Central for di machi eko aban ensa ase ahodo so a former government appointees former vice president ka ho bi omosisi manchester di esi so 1 year ni what to say ye say ye bu obi dan ye guda 1 whole year ni afini maintain da se oral operations na wo mo ye e de ho report e ma attorney general so be ye press conference be brief Ghana for say wa take you over or report wo ye ko adwuma no after a year ni what to say Ghana has say or adwuma wo mo ye no state land na aban no ehunu say 56% na wo mo nya no election 2024 no enda ho no mo entwe wo mo election 2028 Sankrofo we no mu bia omo ne megu abonten no wo mu bi ene wo mu nyina sori gina eto aba se amemmo ne yefun amemmo ne nye eto aba ema NDC aban eba power NDC party eba power. So when you are dealing with them ebia se say the movie say President Mahama or just 4 years it will be use say 4 years way na mo dia sanitize system mo dia clear system but adie bia mo ye bia na mo fa adwen to ho
na make say me go school mo ka tell me say President Mahama obon onu mamu onu homo na obu ntutu bibidi na ba umia dia obesamba beslamo aba entobaya de papa mumu dino na mokata me samo ton keten oya mizu oya meza eyezuzaza we ne maka o masamo sa na ewurei ene usu se me nka bi ma wo sesen o so nye mmobo me pebe mo ne wo be ye se na chi so ye pipi ni nko ade ame memo na ja no omo ano omo ye miensa
nya bi postings no be because everyone me who be enroll nurses or say enroll nurses yen ka ho ana obe ho midwives midwives yen ka ho general nurses so yen ka ho because and he de na buy and then no em say public health for nko a nto nya public health nurse unhu bi e posting no bi on be no bi atena so fiti lady ba kwa me ne kasa watena so fiti ana journal refreshes amuso mbe bia ade ne portal ne be 10 am wa create account dada ubi mo yesa create another account ibu kwa log in once yes what you've attempted many times now I lock you out ube say remu no yes no slot ye nim dada so mo de ama mo nkrofo enti no o ye 2020 referral about 2021 na woni mo bia woni capra de betua demonstration we esa odo ho jim enti flyer ni nie omuso omo ye grounds work police normal per date I'm told say hopefully Friday ye di enim ya enti no ho video ya share ma 2020 referral batch and the 2021 referral batch main batch ni say postings na ekoso ni yadi kan scam onobo akando ne om de ama or de ama nko for that and oba be dada Ghana for be kubie because at the end how come say ube bie at the end of 10 am put me remu 10 to on 10 3 yes no slot go for afade that into no always a cockroach the John kind of posting into who share mo bia hu bi me say mo mpani for no the date ne beba but we are just a flyer almost say mamu hu say BBC baso hopefully no date ne beba bia watchina but I'm told say by Friday so munya police clearance ne ade say betumi aya enti no be on Ghana mekano ehia wa abraho bi social na papa nurse can be ye can one ba ho because benefit no pe no motiase picketing ne demonstration ne no language o motiase ano no enti fa ho jim bi because at the end of the day no me posting e ebo am emfa me ho ha woni we hia on so oba ho tie de be ka ho asem but it's up to you to show up what's in common as it's mon share because posting no a scam.
Dear Wuyi, do you want to be treated as an NDC member, that's a politician, or you want to be treated as a pastor? Dear Wuyi, obi ko kasa si a ebe kase waka say tie na me nipa ya de ngo asra no ye de ntwibini na asra ya on
utiri kwa se kura pastor oduro kwasi ampanyini wo NDC for mu one opposition na Kenya nsasam bon enti aba ni sia NDC mu ai ba ya wadana boa wunim no kure na wo kan kwasi asam Ghana ni no watua ni sika otua yi la bia no pa bia autopetro no pa ewia autopetro anyumra autopetro. What do you say? Obviously, Kevin Taylor said he would deport you before wake up. Nina and Kwasi now catch us every 1 minute to be a school bus in Amisha Bruni. The system is working 24/7. Kevin Taylor, Ojimia, me ni abrewa tweda nso ojimi amekwa kofa ne yere broni abrewa na kodino. I'm telling you the fact. Oshlomi ontimi kan ma semni ntia san kama mo bia ko ne sika kunda dada. Eno ansa masoma udifo na mama mo sika no matumi ka ba akoko mini ba bi ote e Virginia. Broche kura bi ase eben Washington DC. Washington State. Ni mama mo ko ne sika kunu simple no bia jubilate. You am NDC fo nkwasi afo mbesu no masu. Obey disease. Oshlomi ntimi hu se me mo bia akoko no.
What is the basis? Mujina so and they increasing light bill the water bill because ECG nene Ghana Water Company Limited at the dollar any inflation rate any policy rate interest rate na mudi jina so ni wansa ni money in our form it is just so to start this question well musame out of ignorance.
Yes, that's why I want to say
legitimate question
ask out of ignorance.
Me pacho man kasa he ask out of me say he needs to be educated. Me say I didn't use the word say ignorance me say man kasa me tell on my dia me can say me say my men na some na papa na some na can. That's what most people have been saying and it's up to the government to explain things to them.
Your word was ignorance. They are speaking out of ignorance. That was your word.
On my ignorance. I mean, okay, so me me kind. Oh, me ba. Dia me kind ni say. Asam na oka no. Enkyere se enyama bo enkosuru.
But the
tie dia oka no want o de o mapane kan say wasi epode wasi ayi fani say wasi pure water ekosoro na me ka say inflation e ba for ma enka the rate at which things will be increase you know the empanifo na omunim nwuma na epen say commission akache ense enka be koso akese enka ebia yeda so to na train na ebia enka inflation no enka ebia nya 3 cities ne ka be ka ho say na omo ka say the rate at which things will be increase no e be ba for what you say?
Inflation.
Oh my, Mrs. Sana, dear me, Omaka, me, and I told Amanda Maker, say, a buying, say, what the inflation about this number. And now you soon say a base rate, a 16, advance of the above or the above 14, you are. Me come catch say, a baby, or maybe a pretty and a single digit piano, or more base rate so, a cost single digit, me boy. And now, say about me can say petrol about for me. Abano dia he is trying to put all these things down.
So why na man in cost?
What yes, about to me so who now go for what there? What you say? And I know somebody can say Pulican ayaba abama enyama na eba from oh unti the making. Me say so what they buy be all spoke against say I was say no mushia am no mushia but nanka we my no the phone chem so moko e fe say port wa ne ma no from kaka nyesa na mo kan yes but this kan ne ma bo no e ba from but yemu say won say public area na kwa ma no omoko fa ne ma ne ba omo tete so ana abanu kreti another environment but say individual entity ne ma so aban kreti petro ensi ni so
is right obisa me no we
so at the end of
what you say
the pastor is asking say
he's also asking a legitimate idea
adentina sa ne ma we nyina bi no aban na ye ne de wi na say bonten so for no yen de wi so the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation beba 0.5
yes
na so and never not 2 years ago ni boy 8 cities no because the inflation rate no
but this is an AG who will come and bastardize people pronounce people guilty because they know that the order has nothing. The order is a calculated attempt to tarnish the images of people. They are in their second year and they have not been able to prove a single case. You see, I have always maintained this and I've said it even to a fault, that if not for the NDC, nobody would have ever said a politician is corrupt in this country. Because before someone is accused of corruption, nobody is guilty until proven guilty by a competent court, right? Now, almost all the politicians who had been found guilty in this country are all NDC. All. From NDC 1, about 6 people went to jail. NDC 2, same. Even when Mahama came his first time, we had 6 people convicted. But none from the MPP. None. They will always use corruption as a bait and tell the people of this country that these people are corrupt. And they will use that to win elections. They did the same in 2008 with Fifi Kweti. as propaganda secretary, mention people. They mentioned a lot of people. They came, started 13 prosecutions and lost all. You remember Kwesi Eji, former foreign affairs minister? You remember Asabi and his wife?